Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I started a new Faceless YouTube channel only utilizing AI. My intention is to automate the whole creative process starting from script writing, voiceover and visuals. In the past few months, I've seen a motivational quote video that has gotten over 6.6 million views, and I was inspired to try to launch a similar YouTube channel. So, I scrolled on YouTube for potential faceless channel ideas, and I came across with this inspirational and wisdom quotes channel. You might say, okay, what's so interesting about it? But after doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers I'm going to tell you. This channel is making somewhere between $1,200 to over $19,000 every month, and that just by making simply quote videos like this. So, switch to a full screen mode and let's get started. First, I will start by asking ChatGPT to create 20 YouTube channel name ideas for my inspirational and wisdom quotes channel. And if you don't have access to ChatGPT, you can simply try this site called poe.com. It's totally free and give you more features. There are so many options, but I really like this one. Sage of the Age. I have already created a channel, so let's head over to YouTube Studio. Go to the Customization tab, then Basic Info, write my channel name. And now I need to create a catchy description for my channel. So let's head back to poe.com and ask it to write a description for a YouTube channel named Sage of the Age about giving wisdom quotes. After it's done, simply copy and paste it in the description tab. Next step, I need to figure out my channel branding. For this, I will be using Leonardo.ai, an amazing completely free text-to-image generator. As you can see, I was already experimenting with it. Now I will come up here and ask it to create an image of an old wise Chinese man with a white beard and hair, holding an ancient scripture. The results are amazing. After I finished generation of my channel image, I simply downloaded it for free. Let's head back to YouTube and upload it. Now I need a banner for my channel. Let's head to Canva and search for a YouTube banner. I will keep it simple and choose a black background. Adjust the size and scale. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to create 10 catchy YouTube banner captions about subscribing to a channel that is about inspirational videos. We have so many options, and I like this one. Let's paste it into Canva and adjust the size. Now, let's upload our logo and banner, and the branding is done. And now, my channel is done. Let's move on to the first step. Script generation. I will go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write 50 famous quotes of Albert Einstein. The first task is completed and it gave me an amazing results. And now it's time for my second step. Voice generation. I will use 11 Labs for this and choose Adam in the settings. You can simply try different voices until you reach to your desired one. And after that, download it. Now, let's move on to step 3. Video editing. Head back to Canva and search for a YouTube video. Select the blank canvas, and we need a background for our video. I will use the same background as my banner. Now, we need to create a character. For this, I will use Leonardo.ai again. The best part of Leonardo is it can create images on a transparent background, so we don't have to use any additional tools for that. But if you want much more professional results, you can surely use Adobe Photoshop. Now I have my video character image as a PNG with a transparent background. Let's head back to Canva and upload our character. Let me just resize it and adjust the position. It looks amazing, so let's download it but as a PNG instead of MP4. Step 4. Video editing and adding captions and visuals. For this I use Veed.com. It is an online video editing tool that allows users to edit, enhance, and add effects to their videos easily and quickly. It offers a simple and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their video editing experience. With Veed.com, users can trim, crop, add text, subtitles, and music to their videos, as well as apply filters. Drag your image here and then your voiceover, and now your video is done. One more extra step to adding captions to my video. Head to Subtitles, Generate, and within seconds, your subtitles has been done. You can choose any style, adjust color or size and then press OK. If you want more cinematic look, you can add an overlay video of dust particles, lights, and fire particles. I will add it on top of the video to make it more realistic. After finishing, hit download. Unfortunately, if you use a free version, your video will be exported with a watermark. If you are cool with that, then don't mind. But if you want your video looks more professional, then you have to use the paid version, or use the best video editing software. Adobe Premiere. I know it will take much more time and effort, but the final result will be amazing and worth it. Now, let's move on to step 5. Thumbnail design. Let's head back to Canva and choose the same black background and our character. You can simply take an image from your video and adding extra spices to make it looks more engaging. Let's add a brush element in red. Our thumbnail is ready, so let's download it. Lastly, step 6. Video uploading and SEO. Let's go to YouTube Studio and upload our video. We need the title, video description, and keywords for our video. Let's ask ChatGPT to create 10 titles for a YouTube video about inspirational wisdom quotes of Albert Einstein. I really like this one. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to create long and short keywords to get views on a YouTube video with this title, and then click Publish. And now it's time to show you my final video.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this. See you in the next video.